Welcome back again to the channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to design detergent package. Yes, so as you can see on the screen, this is a well-designed clean detergent powder, and I'm going to take you through the step-by-step procedure. First, you head into your Pixellab, then we select the background that we are going to use, which is green. Then if you want your green to be lighter or deeper, it depends. So you click on the plus button and then increase the color, which we have already done. You head over to the plus button, then to your gallery, and select the image that you want to use. So I'm going to select this. Yes, this is it. This is the image you are using. You drag it to the center of the background, as you can see. Then you go to erase color, enable it, and you see that vintage in the middle of the image we are using. So we want to take away the blue background. Yet you click on the color picker, then you press on tolerance. Yes, increase the tolerance in order for the blue background to go. As we can see, we are having the light ray. Yes, the white light ray, which we want to use in designing this flyer. So you minimize or maximize the image you are using depending on what you want to achieve. Then you lock it up, and now you can see I've increased the color of the package. Yeah, I want it to be deep, so I've increased the package. You head over to the plus sign and select another image, as I've done right here, the lemon. Then you maximize it because I don't want the photo room to be part. You drag it to a desired location that you want it to be, just like I've dragged it here. So you look for a suitable position and position your image, then you lock it up to prevent it from moving in case you want to do something at that same position. Click the plus sign again, select another image you are going to use, which is this one. Then you crop the image, as you can see here. Click the correct button and redrag it, minimize it, and position it as I'm doing here. Then you fix it at a desired location that you want it to be, and I'm going to be using 3 of these images, so I'll just copy it and lock the first one. Then I'll drag the second one. I want them to be in line, so I'll then copy it again and then lock the first one. Yeah, there's it. As you can see, I'm giving it a befitting position that it's supposed to be. So you click on copy and then lock the second image that we are using. Drag the third image and position it as you want it to be, just like I've done here. Then you head over and lock it as well. Now we are introducing another image, so you click on your plus button, then from gallery, then you select the image you want to use, which is our water droplets. Yeah, make sure you crop it to prevent this photo room from being part of the image. So once you crop it, you drag it, position it well. If you want to minimize, you minimize. If you want to maximize, you maximize. That's it. Another water droplets image that we are going to use now. Don't forget to lock all your images immediately you've positioned them at their desired location. So crop this one too, then you drag it, but this time around we are going to turn it aside. Then you just watch what I'm going to do. We are going to turn it aside and then drag it to the left. And this serves as a ray for the water droplet. You lock it up, Then now we are going to introduce our test, like what is a package without a test. So you click on edit test, you erase the new test and type in the desired test that you want to use in designing your flyer or your package. So that is clean, and now we head over to color, select the color that we want to use, which I'm going to use red. And like I said earlier, if you want your color to be deep, you click on that plus button and increase the vintage of the color you want to use. So as you can see, I'm trying to add the deepness. Like I said, I want it to be very deep. So that is it. From here, you go to font and select the font you want to use for your package or for your flyer. So I'm using chunk 5, and this is very bold, as you can see. Then you drag it and adjust it a little bit. That is the style that I want it to be. So I've dragged it and I've enlarged it to be a little bit bigger than what we've seen earlier on. Now I can see my light ray is beneath the lemon and then the water droplet. So I want to drag it upwards a bit, which I've just done, and went about to lock it. When you are done, you drag the text as well. And now we are adding another text. So you just copy the first text, erase, and add another text that you want to use, which is detergent powder this time around. Okay, so once you are done, you drag it to the center, you minimize it as you want it to be, then you look for the color that you are going to use, because white cannot be on a white background. So this time around we are using blue for our detergent powder, which I've just done. And like I said, I want my write-ups to be very deep, so I've increased the brightness of the text. Now the font that we'll be using is chunk 5, just as we've used for the first test. So you head over and position it under the clean, as you are seeing on the screen. Control your write-up. This time around I realized that I have to use uppercase letters, so I've just changed it into uppercase letters. Then I head over to minimize it and position it well under the clean write up, or the what we've typed. So you lock it up and add another new text, which is 2-in-1. 2-in-1. Okay, so when you are done typing, you click OK. You drag the image to the desired location that you want it to be. And this time around, we are using the font size restless. So wrestler, sorry. So you drag it to the bottom, right bottom of your flyer, and lock it. We're adding another new text, which is fresh and clean. And clean. Okay, so once you're done, you click OK and drag it as well. So we are going to use the arch font and minimize it. Then you drag it to the desired location and position it very well. Then you lock it up, and then first of all you copy before you lock the first image, so that you can edit and add another text, which I've just done. So we are adding with lemon extract. Yes, so okay, we drag it as well. Okay, Then we add it under the fresh and clean. Okay, that is just it. Extract. Okay. Okay, now I'm done. Make sure you position it very well to the right position you want it to be. Then you lock it up. This is how to design the flyer. Then you head over and save your image. So guys, we are not done. You now go to your PicsArt app, which is this particular one here, the photo AI. Then you click on photo and select the image you want to use, which is this sachet image or package. This one, you crop it as usual and click on mark or correct sign, which is here. Okay, now you head over to look for add picture or add image. Then you select the clean image that we've designed using Pixellab. You increase the size to fit the sachet package. As you can see, I'm increasing the size. So once you are done increasing the size, you click on blend in order for your text and package to blend. Then you click on multiply. Now you can see that the image has successfully blended with the package or the sachet. So this is how you can design a detergent powder sachet. You then head over to save the image. Now we are done. So this is a very quick and easy tutorial on how you can design a detergent powder package. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you get updated on more design tutorials.